Guys, let's talk about le ndaba le yama-foreigner azobekwa Eastern Cape sokune-king eyi-foreigner e-Eastern Cape. Bayalawa kanjani amaXhosa le ndaba? Bayalawa kanjani? U-right ungizwe uthayilwe le ndaba. Bayalawa kanjani indaba yamaXhosa? The next thing lapha kuzobe sekune-cheeky tiger lapha sekunama-brothel lapha sekuthengiswa ama-drugs lapha e-Eastern Cape. And abantu bamaXhosa babathanda kabi ama-Nigeria. Yingakho is one of the reason why sekune-king lapha. Abantu bamaXhosa bayithanda kabi imali, so they will do anything ezobafakela imali, yabona. So I'm sure a lot of Xhosa women are very happy ukuthi kunama-Nigeria lapha sawunenkosi lapha, because they're gonna get girlfriend allowance. Girlfriend allowance kubuya kuma-Nigeria. There's no South African onengqondo ephila kahle ozopha intombazana i-10,000 rands ebesebenzaphi ngiyikhulumela la eMzansi eso ebesebenza where would be that guy be working azopha intombazana? Hayi, it's only Nigerian people. So when Malema we allow this thing, it's like bambadala, it's like the brand ambassador yama-Nigerians. Hi guys, why is he saying all the borders must be open so that bonke labantu laba bakhe bangene la kule country? It's like they are funding i-political party yakhe, the way bakhulumela ngakhona. Ungafunga ukuthi naye Nigeria the way ukhuluma ngakhona. How can he allow such thing? Like useful when it suits him, yabona, useful mangabe ekhuluma ngabo Ramaphosa and all those things, but in other parts I don't favor him. I wouldn't vote for EFF noma sokuthiwa they are forcing me, even if they are pointing me with a gun. I wouldn't vote for EFF. That party, Economical Freedom Fighters, but there are people that are busy making babies. I'm a member solo party, they're busy making babies in Lahlamlands. How can you build an economy while you are creating a lot of people? Where are they going to stay? Kugcwele phela ekasi manje, kugcwele amakasi onke agcwele, and manje bokungama-Nigeria manje sokugcwala kakhulu, ezogcwala imikhukhula, yabona. Sokuzoba nama-spaza shop ama-Nigeria manje, sebagcwele ukudlula amakula ama-Nigeria, sebagcwele ukudlula amakula. So ngizwe yilo le ndaba, ngiyakusapota ngizwe yilo le ndaba, ngizwe yilwe, yabona. Manje ngiyakusapota ke manje le yama-gay. I didn't support you on that one, but on this one I support you fully. I'm at your corner, ngizwe ngizwe, I'm at your corner. Bangabe inamba yami ikhona, ngizwe lapha ku WhatsApp bafuna ukontakta, yabona, uze kaSlam shaya ivideo ngokubuza ama-question. Hayi ngizwe, I love you ngizwe, I love you ngizwe, I love you. Ngizwe was right to fight this. Ngeke umuntu come from Nigeria, he's not a king in his country, but he wants to be a king in our country. A lot of people are coming to our country and they're giving these girls a lot of money. And these girls, who is funding Abosane Pucci? Who is funding these slave queens? Obviously, Nigerian people. All these influencers, I don't see influencers fighting this. I don't see influencers. I mean, influencer ngeke ayilwe le ndaba. They have a lot of followers, but it's because Nigerians are the ones who are finding their lifestyle. Nigeria bona find a lifestyle of money influence. Young one is for saying Nigeria must go, because one of his funders, blessers, are Nigerian people. Because ibona bafunda le lifestyle ukuthi bahamba batravela no those things. Ibona badedela emalini phela. Banama-brothel, banama shopping mall. Very soon sokuthiwa uzoba kune-mall ebhalwe Okocha, Okaribo West Mall. Izobe ibhaliwe Okaribo West Mall. Sekuzoba nama-mall abhayisa abothofo, abofufu, abo-in zokudliwa lapho. Yo, le country le phelile ngale country. Hayi phelile ngale country. Ramaphosa akayilwi le ndaba. That president angifuna ukukhuluma nangaye futhi loyo. Ale country yazi, yo, indaba le ngibhorile mina ngibona this thing, ngibhorile guys, yo, ngibhorile. Ngizwe, I'm at your corner. Please subscribe to the channel, share, click on the notification button and share the video as much as you can. Thank you so much.